here they are. So they look okay. These, if you're sitting 3 people, these actually get in the way, and they are not very bendy. They won't stay down. But specifically the buckle part, you have to kind of pull it down when you get on and pull it out. It doesn't slide very well. But if you have a cart that lifts up like this, these big pieces are in the way. So you have to kind of push them out of the way, which I think that will eventually cause issues with it loosening and stripping. Just to lift this up, and which you will see here, they kind of get stopped there. So you have to adjust those, and yeah, not the best.